Okay, here's Kate. Go, you can go. Back here. Whoa, look at you, the back float. Watch your head. Good job. Do you think you could do it again? Do it without your noodles.
Okay, but I'm going to take one.
Your one noodle? Okay. Got it? Wow, look at you. What a good floater. Okay, do you think you can do it? Do one more time and do your pizzas over to me, okay? No noodles. Just, okay, because I want you to do it with pizzas. Watch out behind you. You've got the wall. The wall is right behind you. There you go. Good job.